Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you everyone? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English first paper class for the students of class 7. Look dear students, here today's topic is Unit 4, Lesson 2 and Exercise B. This is our lecture number 8 and SW number 7. Okay, now we will start our today's topic. Look dear students, please follow the board. Here Unit 4, Lesson 2, Exercise B, this one. Okay, after reading the story about Miss Shahana Huda, then you will get this matching. Okay, and you have to do this properly. You will get this from your book. This exercise number is what? Exercise number B. Look here, match the words with their meanings. So dear students, you have to do this. Okay, number A, first word name is what? Company, and what is its meaning? Business. Okay dear students, you have to write in your copy like this way. Okay, company means what? Company means business. Then number B, vacant. Vacant means what? Empty. Then number C, status. Status meaning is what? High rank or social position. Then number D, in-laws. In-laws means what? Relatives by marriage, especially husbands or wives, family members. Then number E, corridor. Corridor means what? A long narrow passage in a building. What is the meaning of the word corridor? A long narrow passage in a building. Then number F, academic. What is its meaning? Connected with study, education. Academic meaning is what? Connected with study, education. Then number Z, admire. What is its meaning? To show respect. Admire meaning is what? To show respect. Then number H, demonstrate. Demonstrate meaning is what? To show something by doing. To show something by doing. Okay. Then number I, inspire. Inspire, what is its meaning? To encourage somebody well. To encourage somebody well. Okay dear students, now I am going to read this once again. Number A, company means what? Business. Number B, vacant means empty. Number C, status means high rank or social position. Number D, in-laws means relatives by marriage, especially husbands or wives, family members. Then number E, corridor. What is its meaning? A long narrow passage in a building. A long narrow passage in a building. Number F, academic, connected. Academic means what? Connected with study, education. Connected with study, education. Then number Z, admire. Admire meaning what? To show respect. To show what? To show respect. Then number H, demonstrate. Demonstrate meaning is to show something by doing. To show something by doing. Then number I, inspire. Inspire meaning is what? To encourage somebody well. To encourage somebody well. So dear students, like this way you have to write this exercise in your copy. Okay, you have to learn this, but this is not your SW word. Your SW will be exercise E. Only answer you have to write in your SW copy. Okay dear students, only answer you have to write. So you have to learn this story, Miss Shahana Huda's story, and of course you have to do this SW and submit it on next Saturday. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz everyone.